The Mars Climate Orbiter also had many problems with this navigation team. The navigation team joined the mission only 2 months before launch, meaning that they were not a part of the planning stages of the mission. The craft launched on December 11, 1998, and began its journey to Mars. Then, in the spring of 1999, concerns were noted about the course, but no formal report was made. In September, the craft was approaching Mars. On the 8th, the final trajectory correction was calculated and was executed on the 15th. On the 23rd, the spacecraft was supposed to make its first close approach, but was lost instead. Attempts to communicate with it were continued until the 25th, and an investigation into the cause of the loss began on the 27th. 2 days later, the underlying factor of the loss, the unit conversion error, was discovered. Communication between different teams was poor on this mission. This was especially evident between the navigation and systems engineering teams. The systems engineers originally planned to have the craft barbecued, meaning that it would be flipped 180 degrees every 12 hours to prevent angular momentum buildup. But the systems engineers eventually decided not to do this without consulting the navigation team. This meant that due to the spacecraft's asymmetrical design, it had angular momentum buildup from photons. This confused and distracted the navigation team because they were not informed that this would happen by other groups on the mission. This is just one example of poor communication between the navigation and other teams that contributed to the loss of the spacecraft.